Hey guys, here are the video instructions for current events on February 17th. We are going to be covering our very first current event topic, the Super Bowl, better late than never. And if you thought we were going to talk about boring old politics the entire time in current events, hopefully you are delightfully surprised. Essential question or question, if you are feeling slightly French, was Tom Brady displaying appropriate/respectful conduct? We will get to that current event in just a sec. I'm going to go over the weekly overview, like what to expect each and every week from here on out, now that we have some people in person and distance learning trying to learn in this class at the same time. I'm going to explain the weekly assignment that you'll get every single week, and I will give you some work time on today's portion of that weekly assignment. Reminder, the homework, social media Jamboard, and social dilemma reflection are both due today at the end of the day. And you guys have 43 more days left of the term. That includes weekends and days off. So the good news is if you're already bored and sick of my class, you are 43 more days away until you're halfway there. Okay, I wanted to give a quick shout out for those of you who participated in our first Friday discussion. The first time you do anything, it can be overwhelming and scary because you don't know what to expect or how other people are going to react. And for those of you who just jumped right in and participated, like kudos, that takes courage. And you guys brought up some really good points. Like I was sitting over here prepping and I was like, dang, that kid brought up a good point. Also, this is one of those classes where you're going to get out of it what you put into it. So if we have a lot of kids who are like, I don't care, I don't need to participate, I'm not going to say anything, it's going to make class super boring and not fun for me to teach and not fun for you guys to be in. But if we have kids who are feeling courageous and brave enough to share their opinion and their perspective, like it's going to make class way more fun. All right, and just a reminder of what this class looked like in the past and what it looks like now and why. In the past, they would just like watch and read about current events and take notes from that every single day. And then Friday was like a 15, 20 point test slash quiz on the who, what, where, when, why, or the facts of those current events. And that just seemed kind of pointless to me because you were memorizing facts that like wouldn't really benefit you all that much in the future. So that's why I'm not doing it like that. It just seemed like pointless memorization. Instead, we're going to be working on skills that you're actually factually going to use, whether you decide to go to college or not. Like you could use them even right now in your own life. Researching is a huge skill that we're going to focus on in this class, but most of all, discussing respectfully with people who might have different opinions or perspectives than us. Something a lot of adults could use as a skill, am I right? Okay, this is how a typical week will look. Monday, we introduce and investigate a new topic and look at different biases that might be present. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're going to look at the background and different perspectives of that current event. And then Friday, we are going to do our discussion, of course. This week is shortened, so we're going to take a normal week and just condense it or shorten it up. Today, we're going to introduce a new topic, identify the bias and background. Tomorrow, we'll look at the multiple perspectives, and Friday, discussion, of course. Sorry, I'm trying to go as fast as possible, so I kind of tripped over my own words there. Because I know you guys don't like long videos. So this is what an assignment will look like, and this is an assignment for the entire week. So if you're looking at this and you're freaked out, we're going to work a little bit on this assignment each day for the week. All right, so today we're just going to do the topic and the background, and sometimes I provide resources for you, like you see right here, you have 2 links, and sometimes you have to look up your own resources. Okay, and I'll explain more about that each and every day this week, but just know that this assignment is due after the Friday discussion on Friday. Okay. So here's what I do not want to see for this assignment. I don't want to see someone completing this assignment all in one day. This goes for people who like to work ahead and those of you who like to procrastinate. For those of you who like to work ahead, the reason why I don't want you to try to get this all done as fast as you can and turn it in just to be done with it is because the whole point of this class, our goals, is to make sure that you are doing that critical thinking process. And I really want you to take your research and take your time to actually think about it and think about all different kinds of perspectives on that topic before you make your final decision or opinion. Same thing with people who procrastinate. I don't want you to put this off until Thursday. rush through it and turn it in, because then you are still not doing the same critical thinking that you need to in order to grow into a well-rounded individual. Okay, here's what I do want to see. Work on this assignment each day, okay? Just a little portion of it each and every day. I would love to see you guys wait to turn this in until after the discussion on Friday. And the reason for that is because then I know that you are at the discussion to really learn and listen about different perspectives. And if there is a piece of information or a perspective that you heard during the discussion, and it's like, oh my gosh, that changes everything, you have that time, space, and ability to go ahead and change your opinion in that assignment. All right, so here's what you're doing today. Today, you're going to explain your own bias on the current event that we're going to cover in a different video. And then you're going to answer these questions using the video linked right here in your Google Doc. And that is it. That is it. Do not turn this in. Try your best not to work ahead for those of you who just love working ahead. And I will see you guys tomorrow.